May not be the first people who ever invented it, but I really like that. So we all know I'm very limited on what I can say and how I can demonstrate these things to keep things very PC for you. But let me tell you, I am so impressed actually, because Feyachi is not totally known for the most highest end optics, that kind of stuff. But I will say I have been blown away by this. It is so functional, so easy to use, and actually works pretty well. I've been using it for about the last week. My favorite aspect of this is this riser, which is 0.83 inches. Just so you know, it's super easy to install or remove. Just got your standard 2 hex head screws. Take it off the rail, put it back on the rail because I really like it. So this is so simple of an optic, right? It's got a 5 MOA red dot or green dot, has 7 adjustments for each of them. And as well, my favorite thing about these adjustments is if you take the cap off and then the cap itself turns into the adjuster for the windage and the elevation. So you don't have to carry a separate screwdriver around, which you have to do with many models. This one, the cap just works to adjust it. All right, so here are some of the features. This is where the battery goes. This is what I was talking about. This is the elevation adjuster here. I love that this cap, see that feature? That cap can be used to make the adjustments. I think that's brilliant. May not be the first people who ever invented it, but I really like that. Again, this is your elevation. This is your windage adjustment. And then here you have the adjustment. You press the 2, hold them down to turn it off. If you want green, you press the 1 with the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 settings. Off again, and then red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And obviously, if you have the red on, you just press green and it switches over to green and vice versa. Really simple, easy to use. Again, I like the riser so that you can co-witness with your other sites. Yeah, this thing is really cool for a basic piece of equipment. I think that's brilliant, so smart. Anything that makes your life easier is a really good value add, and that absolutely makes your life much easier. As I said, I've been using it for about a week. Absolutely has held 0. Now, I haven't gotten and beaten it to death and that kind of stuff, so I don't know what would happen in those kind of situations. But basic, regular life, it has worked really well, totally reliable. It's not shake awake, so you just press these 2 buttons at the same time to turn it on, turn it off. Again, just choose whether you want red or green, and then just keep clicking it to adjust the brightness. There are 7 brightness settings. Hopefully that came out well. It's very hard actually to shoot those things and show you that, but hopefully that worked out well. If you're looking for a basic red or green dot with a riser so that you can co-witness with it, this is absolutely a great one for you. I would definitely recommend it. I've been enjoying using it. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.